Hey, this is Bradley with Blue Cord, and I had an issue with Ethel May the other day and called Ventrac about it to see what their perspective was. Great thing is I got it on video, which is the absolute best way to show some of the engineers of Ventrac what actually occurred. They had some advice for me, and they gave me the green light to go ahead and perform some maintenance on this thing. So stick around, check it out. So I noticed the loss of power, and I was using Ventrac's most power-hungry attachment, the KA160 power blower. When you're running that at redline RPM, that requires more torque than any other attachment under constant load. I noticed the RPM started dropping. It didn't seem correct. Luckily, I was at home and just below the shop here when the incident occurred. I pull it up to the garage door, park it, and try to figure out what's going on. Well, after speaking with Ventrac, what they told me is that it had been reported that some of the fuel tanks had debris. Ventrac doesn't make their own fuel tanks. Shavings and such during the production process that could get caught in the fuel line. So they gave me permission to take this apart, take a look inside, and see if that's actually occurred. Okay, this is a little tight. Eesh. I thought I had every single fastener out of here, but as it turns out, there's always one more. Not the easiest thing to... don't drop, no! You gotta be kidding me, man. I got a special tool for that. I don't even know where it went. Gotta take the fuel cap out. Jesus. Whew. Okay, got that. Now, Ventrac told me to check one of these brass 90-degree elbows, and it's possible some material may have gotten lodged in there, restricting the fuel flow, which would cause the anomaly that I noticed. So let's see if that's the actual cause. So when I was at the swap meet, I picked up these nifty Steiner pliers for 20 bucks.
Sorry, I'd say perhaps something stuck in there.
This is a great opportunity to use them for the first time. That's tight. Oh. Well, this is the elbow that they say that the material can get lodged in, so we're going to blow this out. Okay, so to reseat the rubber grommet, you have to take the fitting out of it. Now, push the grommet in the hole, reseat the fitting, and you're good to go. Now, when you're putting everything back together, make sure that all the hoses and wiring get tucked into this recessed section of the fuel tank so nothing gets pinched. You hear the bubbles in the tank. This thing is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Pressurizing the fuel, absolutely awesome. I appreciate you taking the time to hang out with me today. We have a lot of other Ventrac maintenance videos and showcasing a number of the, I think, 19 different attachments that we have. Anyway, greatly appreciated. See you in the next episode.